Alright, welcome back, guys. So today we're dealing with a simultaneous equation series. We're looking at equations that are in the form y equals, the first problem is x minus 4 and y equals to minus x. Now, the first method I'm going to show you is the substitution method, which just means that we're going to put it into the format. We're going to put it in a format that we are accustomed to when you're talking about simultaneous equations. That is, an x plus a y equals to a solution. An x plus minus y is equals to a solution. So what we're going to do is that we're going to take these linear equations and we're going to put them so they look like this. Now, how do we do that? So we take the first one. We have y equals x minus 4, and we're going to isolate the x. Well, we're going to take the x and bring it where the y is. Alright, so our two problems were y equals x minus 4, y equals x. So we're going to take this and we're going to put them so that we have x plus y equals c, or x minus y equals d. Alright, so what we're going to do, what we did was we took the x that was here, we transpose it, so it was negative here. So it was positive here. When it came over, it becomes negative. So my first line becomes now the x that went over, negative x, plus y, because the y is still positive, is equals to 4. And for down here, because the x here was negative, when we take it over, it becomes positive. So we end up with x plus y, and there's no solution, so we just equal it to 0. Okay? Now, once we've done that, now we can use the process of elimination. Remember, when you eliminate, you choose the term that you want to eliminate. In this case, I decided to eliminate the x. To eliminate, remember, the coefficients are supposed to be the same and the signs different. Coefficient just means the number in front of the letter. We know when a letter is by itself, it has an invisible 1 in front of it. So we have negative 1 here, positive 1 here. Signs are already different, so we can eliminate those. So we say 1 from 1, we get 0, and then we can focus on here. Because this is positive and this is positive, 1y plus 1y gives us 2y. And negative 4 minus 0, if I have minus 4 and minus and I didn't take anything from it, I'm still left back with 4. So we end up here with 2y is equals to negative 4. To isolate y, I divide both sides by the number with the variable. So the 2 here, so I'm going to divide this side by 2 and divide that by 2. So I say 2 into 2 goes 1, and 2 into negative 4 goes negative 2. So we just found y. Now to find x, we're going to take the y equals 2 minus 1, and we're going to put in any equation. For this exercise, I chose to put it back into equation 1, which was minus x plus y equals minus 4. We're saying that if y is equal to minus 2, so we have x minus x plus y is equal to minus 4. We're saying that y is equal to minus 2, so we have x plus minus 2 is equals to 4. Remember, we have to work out what the bracket is there. We know a negative times a positive gives us negative. So this line becomes minus x minus 2 is equals to minus 4. Now, once we have done that, now we're going to put like terms together. All right. So we state that here we have the minus x. We take the 2 and we transposed it. Minus 2 is here. And we took it over, so it becomes minus 4 plus 2, minus 4 plus 2, and then we're going to simplify that. We say minus 4 plus 2 gives us minus 2. So we have minus x is equals to minus 2, and because the letter itself can't be negative, we divide by negative 1. Because remember, we said that when a letter is by itself, it has a 1 in front of it. So we divide both sides by negative 1, and we get x is equals to 2. So the solution for this problem is y is equals to minus 2, and x is equals to 2. Alright, so this is another way of